Sabi po ng isang kanta, pag alam po ninyo yung kanta, sabayan po ninyo. I know it's been some time, but there's something on my mind. You see, I haven't been the same since that cold November day. We said we needed space, but all we found was an empty place. And the only things I learned is that I need you desperately. So here I am. Can you please tell me, where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting there. And if somebody loves you, won't they always love you? I look in your eyes and I know that you still care for me. Mga kapatid, lahat tayo nawawala ng pag-asa. Totoo yun. Wala pong exempted sa panghihina. Wala pong exempted sa pag-iisip na, sumuko na lang kaya ako. Wala pong exempted sa pagkaburyong routinary ang buhay. But, you see, if your hearts are broken, you go to Him. You go to Jesus. You acknowledge God in your life, and you will be filled with inspiration, with joy, with energy, strength. Mapupuspos kayo. Tapos, makapagpapatuloy kayo. Ganon ang pag-ibig ng Panginoon. Amen? Malakas na palakpak para sa ating Panginoon.